Follow me over here.
Sponsored by Barney's Gobstopper.
Okay, right. Just put your bag somewhere. First, you need to get your duck pepper can. Lie it down anywhere sideways. Hop onto your back.
It helps if it's in front of the wheel.
No, Barney.
Yeah, just run over. I'll hold it in place.
Right. Run over. And then, just to make it a bit tighter, you can like just push on. And then, that's why I drink Dr. Pepper.
It was actually my Dr. Pepper can.
But still, that's why I drink it. Stop recording.
This will work with any type of can. Bye.
Except cheap, crappy ones.
Yeah. This is the videos where we show you how to do like skateboarding shit. Bye.